Sam, I cannot believe how hot it is up here.
Sam measured the temperature in the attic with an infrared thermometer.
So it's 99 degrees.
The amount and type of insulation just isn't adequate for this home. So what do we do about it? Phil Brown from Icynene has a new insulation that is perfect for this house.
The attic is the hottest room in the house, in any house that you go to, because it's catching so much of that solar heat. With Icynene, our product, what we do is we bring that attic into the conditioned space of the house. We spray foam insulation. It's an open cell, water-blown spray foam insulation to the underside of the roof deck, seal off all the ventilation, and then we capture cool air. Now it stays in the building envelope.
What makes your product so much different from standard insulation?
Standard insulations are usually fibrous. Fiberglass is a very common insulation, or blown-in cellulose or blown-in fiberglass. Traditionally, that's on the floor of the attic. And that's where it's always been in the past, trying to keep that conductive heat transfer. Those products do a real good job on conductive heat transfer. Okay. What they don't touch is the airborne heat. Icynene and spray foam insulation stops that air transfer, and that's why you have such an energy efficient gain and a much more comfortable house.
We did have ordinary fiberglass insulation, so we replaced it with foam insulation. The temperature up here was 99 degrees when we started. Today it's 74.